1 dash is equals to 1 dash 2 dash. This will be equal. Here A1 is equals to 1 2 is equal, but A1 not equals to A1 dash. A1 not equals to A1 dash.
A1.
This is the very important. Okay. Next we have go for. Okay, this is the line will be divided into 5 equal parts. This will be drawn on the drawing sheet. Okay, any person that is observe this drawing on the drawing sheet. Okay, the line will be divided into 5 equal parts. That will be understood. But how much length? The length is equals to how much? Suppose I will see any person on the drawing sheet. We see this one. The line will be divided into 5 equal parts. He understand. But how much length? This length is visible or not?
Yes.
This length is equal to how much?
7 centimeter.
But we cannot measure and we can write out this information on the drawing sheet. AB is equals to 70 centimeter, 70 mm. This not write on the drawing sheet. Only drawing will be on the drawing sheet. How much any person will easily understand. This line will be divided into 5 equal parts. How much length? We cannot
10
understand.
centimeter.
Cannot understand. This length is equals to how much?
Oh.
మనం డ్రా చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఈ లెంత్ మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. వేరే పర్సన్ వచ్చి ఈ డ్రాయింగ్ చూసి ఈ లైన్ ని డివైడ్ చేస్తావు, ఎన్ని 5 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ డివైడ్ చేస్తావు అని అన్నావు. కానీ ఈ లెంత్ ఎంత అనే వాడు ఏం చేయాలి, మళ్ళీ స్కేల్ తీసుకొని మెజర్ చేయాలి. అవునా కదా? దానికోసం మనం ఏం చేయాలి? దెన్ వి హావ్ టు గో ఫర్ డైమెన్షనింగ్. ఎనీ పర్సన్ ఈజీలీ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎనీ డయాగ్రామ్, దెన్ వి హావ్ టు గో ఫర్ ది డైమెన్షనింగ్. దెన్ వి హావ్ టు గో ఫర్ డైమెన్షనింగ్. వి హావ్ టు డ్రా ది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ లైన్స్. To draw the extension line or perpendicular lines from given line AB. These are the perpendicular lines. Perpendicular line from A, perpendicular line from B. The perpendicular means how much angle?
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Very good. 90 degrees. Okay. The angle is 90 degrees. Okay. Then we have to draw the in between these two perpendicular lines. In between these two perpendicular lines, we have to draw the line parallel to given line. Line parallel to.
Yes, sir. The length is that.
The line parallel to given line. Okay, this line. Line is parallel to given line. Line is parallel to line AB in between these two lines. Okay, this line will be known as the dimension line. This line will be known as the dimension line.
Dimensional line.
Dimension line will be indicated by
90 degrees.
arrowheads in the end of the points. The arrowheads. Okay, this will be known as the dimension line. The value of the line must be above the dimension line and exactly middle. You can write as in millimeters. That is 70 mm. Visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is visible or 70 mm.
Yes,
okay,
yes,
this line
yes.
will be known as the. This line will be known as the dimension line. This line will be known as the dimension line. And these perpendicular lines, yes or no?
Donated.
This perpendicular
Sir, donated
line.
with which symbol?
Which one?
Indicated with.
Arrow. This one or this one?
Okay.
Which one? This will be arrowhead, triangle form. Isosceles triangle. Arrowheads indicated by isosceles triangles. The dimensions must be. This is 1 mm and this inclined line will be 3 mm. This inclined line will be 3 mm. 1 is to 3. Okay, 1 is to 3, 2 is to 6, 3 is to 9. Okay, we have to take this vertical line is 2 mm, then inclined line will be 6 mm. Inclined line will be 6 mm. Next, this will be 3 mm. Vertical line will be 3 mm. That inclined line will be 9 mm. Okay. This will be indicated by arrowheads. That will be value is exactly above the dimension line and exactly middle. Okay. This line will be known as the dimension line. Then we have to draw the perpendicular lines from A and B.
Sir, if it is for
Perpendicular line.
if it is for inclined line will be 12.
Yes. That will be 3 times. 2 into 3,
Okay, sir.
4 into 2. Okay, that is
3x.
we have to use the only first one, that is 1 is to 3 ratio. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes we have to
Okay.
use the 2 is to 6. Okay. Then we have to go for, this is the dimension line. Yes. Next we have to go for, draw the perpendicular lines from which point? A and B point. Yes or no? Draw the perpendicular lines from A and B. We have to draw the line parallel to AB in between these two lines. This line will be, or the line will be called as the dimension line. Then the dimension line is indicated by arrow heads. Okay. Then the value of the line must be above the dimension line. Then these perpendicular lines will be called as the extension lines. Extension lines. The perpendicular lines will be known as the extension lines. Okay, the perpendicular lines will be known as the extension line. Then one more thing, we have to go for this line. To get the points on the line AB, this inclined parallel lines. These parallel lines will be called as the construction line. The parallel lines. To get the points on the line AB, we have to go for inclination line. Then we have to draw the phi axis on this inclination line. Then we have to get the points on them. To draw the parallel lines. To get the points on line AB. These parallel lines will be known as the construction line. Parallel lines will be known as the construction line. Here, okay, any doubt? This one. Anyone respond?
No, sir.
ఓకే సార్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పారు డ్రా చేసాం మరి ఏ పెన్సిల్ యూజ్ చేయాలి కదా సార్ అది కావాలి కదా
Yes, sir.
అవునా ఏ పెన్సిల్ యూజ్ చేయాలి మనకు కావాల్సిన డయాగ్రామ్ ఏంది లైన్ ఏబి అంతేనా లైన్ ఏబిని మనం పాయింట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేయాలి ఈ లైన్ ఏబి అనేది ఈ పాయింట్స్ కోసం మనం ఏం చేసాం కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ లైన్ యూజ్ చేసాం తర్వాత డైమెన్షనల్ లైన్ యూజ్ చేయడానికి ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ లైన్ యూజ్ చేసాం డైమెన్షన్ లైన్ డ్రా చేసాం Okay, this line AB must be in HB pencil.
Yes, HB. Light lines.
Line AB, right line is a thin line. Right line AB will be used for to draw the thick lines. 2H for thin line. Okay, line AB is indicated by HB pencil itself. Then we are go for construction line. Incline line, these parallel lines must be in 2H pencil.
2H.
Construction lines must be in 2H pencil. Means incline line also, this parallel line also will be drawn by 2H pencil. Next, the dimension line, middle line, this will be 2H. And extension lines also must be in 2H pencil. Extension line also must be 2H. Okay, one more, the arrow edge, HB pencil. Arrow edge ఉన్నాయి చూడండి arrow edge must be in HB pencil. Line AB must be in HB pencil. Remaining all will be 2H pencil. Remaining all will be 2H pencil. Any doubt?
Sir, once again tell sir which is HB, which is what is line. We are disconnected, sir.
Okay. What is line means? The shortest distance between any 2 points is called as the straight line, or simply we can call as the line. Okay. Then we have to go for how to divide a line into number of equal parts. I am saying 5 equal parts. The line length is equals to 70 mm. That will be in the scale, that will be 7 centimeters. Then we have to draw the line AB at a distance of 70 mm. 2 points is located at a point, distance of 70 mm. A is starting point, B is the ending point. This distance must be equals to 70 mm. Okay. Then we have to draw the line AB. Okay, this line AB will be divided into 5 equal parts. To get the points on this part, we have to draw any inclination line at angle more than 10 degrees or 50 degrees. We are starting from point A. Draw the inclination line by using scale also. Then we have to go for take 2 centimeters. I will take the 2 centimeters or 1 centimeter. Take compass. Take distance is 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters. Draw the arcs on inclined line.
Arch.
Okay, our kind of line will be intersecting, which gives the 1 point. Take this point as the center, same radius on the compass, we have to draw the arc. We have to get the 1 point. Take this point as the center, we have to draw the another arc with same radius. We have to get the 5 points on the inclined line. Then last point is joining with the B point, end of the line. Then we have to draw the line parallel to this line. All the lines must be parallel to each other. Then we have to draw the line parallel to B5 dash, passing through 4 dash. We have to get the intersection point is 4 on the AB. Draw the line parallel to B5 dash, passing through 3 dash. Intersection point on the line AB is 3. Then line is parallel to B5 dash passing through 2 dash. Intersection on the line AB is 2. Then the line is parallel to B5 dash passing through 1 dash. Intersection point on the line AB is 1. We have to get the points like 1 to 5, 0 to 5 points. That is A1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Line AB will be divided into 5 equal lines, 5 equal divisions. Okay. A1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Here A1 is equals to 1, 2. That will be correct. A1 not equals to A1 dash. A1 is not equals to A1 dash. Then we have to give this diagram on the drawing sheet. Every person is easily understand that we have to go for dimensioning. Then we have to draw the perpendicular lines from A, perpendicular lines from B. Okay. These two lines will be known as the extension line. These two lines will be known as the extension. Means the lines is perpendicular lines drawn from the point A and point B. These lines will be known as the extension lines. Then extension line must be into H pencil. Then construction line also to H pencil. To get the points on the line AB, these lines must be into H pencil. Then we have to go for dimensioning line. This dimension line in between the extension line, which is parallel to line AB, then that indicates the arrow H. Then arrow H in this line will be known as the dimension line. Then the value of the line, as given in the question, the value must be above the dimension line. That value is 78. Then arrow H must be in 1:3 ratio, or 2:6, 3:9, 4:12, 5:15, and they are etc. Okay, we have to use the only 1:3. Vertical line is 1 mm, inclined line is 3 mm. Okay, ఈ ROH కూడా ఇక్కడ చూడండి కండిషన్స్. ఇప్పుడు ROH అనేది ఏమవుతుంది, దట్ కార్నర్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ టచెస్ విత్ ది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ లైన్. సపోజ్ దట్ గో ఫర్ లైక్ దిస్. లేవదు ఈ ఆరో పాయింట్ లాస్ట్ పాయింట్ అనేది టచెస్ విత్ ది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ లైన్. ఇదేమవుతుంది, బయటకు వచ్చేసింది, కాబట్టి ఇది ప్రాసెస్ తప్పు. ఓకే, ఇంకోటి ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ పైన ఇచ్చేస్తాం చూడండి, పైన కూడా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాం. ఈ arrow edge does not touch with the extension line. Compulsory, this edge must be touches with the extension line. This will be also wrong, and this will be also wrong. The correct procedure is this arrow edge touches with the extension line, not cross the extension line, in between extension line. But touches with the arrow edge must be in extension line. This is the correct procedure to indicate the dimensioning of the line AB. That is equal to 17. Okay, I conclude this one. Any doubts?
Sir, distance between the dimensional line and the AV line is same.
Same. This will be a parallel line. We have to draw the perpendicular line. This line, the length of the equals also 70 mm.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts? Everyone?
No.
Sir.
Okay, you have to draw this one. Forget about set square. Don't purchase any. You have to, what is the use of this one? Set squares will be answered there. What is the use of set square? You have to buy all or buy not? Okay, buy చేసుకుంటే చేసుకోండి, లేకపోతే అవసరం లేదు సెట్ స్క్వేర్. కానీ కంపల్సరీగా ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ మాత్రం తీసుకోండి. ఓకేనా, మిగిలిన అన్ని కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలి. కంపాస్ ఉండాలి, పెన్సిల్స్ ఉండాలి, ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ ఉండాలి, సెట్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఉంటే ఉండాలి, లేకపోతే లేదు. మినీ డ్రాపర్, స్కెచ్, డ్రాయింగ్ షీట్ ఇవి కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, దీనిలో కంపాస్ లో కూడా 2 రకాలు ఉంటాయి. ఇంజనీరింగ్ కంపాస్ ఉంది, మన మామూలు కంపాస్ ఉంది. మీరు 10th క్లాస్ వరకు యూజ్ చేసేది నార్మల్ కంపాస్. ఎస్. ఇప్పుడు దీనిలో కూడా ఇంజనీరింగ్ కంపాస్, దానితో ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. కొనుక్కుంటే దానిలో కూడా ఉంటాయి స్ప్రింగ్ కంపాస్ ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకంటే మామూలు కంపాస్ కి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కంపాస్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటో తెలియాలి కదా. తెలుసా ఏమన్నా డిఫరెన్స్? What is difference between normal compass and engineering? Okay, normal compass means we have to draw the less radius of the arc. Suppose we have to go for up to 12 centimeters or 13 centimeters, the normal compass. In the case of engineering compass, it will go for more than 13 centimeters or 15 centimeters. By using engineering compass, we have to draw the more than radius of the arc. Yes, that is the useful one. Okay, that is
big
engineering compass. Okay, big circle. Okay, that will be for the big circle. By using normal compass, we have to draw the less circle. The diameter will be less. Then we have to draw the by using normal compass. Then, over. Any doubt?
Sir, these notes will you send in the WhatsApp group, sir?
Yes. Then,
As a PDF.
okay, I will send the note. Okay, right.
Okay,
Are
sir,
we
we will note
writing
down.
pair notes, sir?
So separate books should be very, no, sir?
Separate notes will be there. We have to purchase white notes because the pencil, we have to take the normal notes. That
Yes.
will be brown color notes, then that will not be visible. Then we have to take the white notes. That will be more visible, will be clear. That's right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, in that book only we have to die, sir.
Sir, now Triple E class has completed, sir.
Yes, sir. Triple E and HC also completed. But I will,
Sir?
some work will be in the examination work. That's why. I will take another class now. That is the 12:40 to 1:30. That will be not possible in this session. But some work will be in the examination work. That's why I will not take the class.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have to
That will be class. I will complete the within this examination. Okay. Then work over. First summit I will complete the syllabus.
Sir, we have to draw that in fair notes, sir. Diagrams in fair notes.
Yeah, these one. Okay, we have to write this. What are the drawing instruments on the drawing notes, fair notes, and what is line? I will tell the line. What is the line means? The shortest distance between any 2 points is called as the straight line. Then after, how to divide a line into number of equal parts? First question. How to divide a line into number of equal parts? You have to take the horizontal line. Yes or no? Then we have to go for vertical line. వర్టికల్ లైన్ ఎలా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం? వర్టికల్ లైన్ లైన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఇలా వర్టికల్ అవుతుంది, అంతే కదా? ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఇక్కడ నుంచి అయినా తీసుకోండి. అది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
ఓకే.